Hey guys, this is Kuber. This is my first video, and in these videos I'm going to tell you about how to do coding on Thunkable and other platforms, as I have learned coding on White Hat Junior. So let's get started. So today we are going to build an age converter app. So it's going to convert your years into hours. So first, the design. Here I have a screen. Now we need to add two labels, 2 or 3. So screen 1, label 1, and again one more label behind it. So the first label is going to tell you that you have to put your age, enter your age in your hours in the text input. We are also going to add a text input, and the last label would be for showing the age. So now text input. I've done here the coding. As you can see, this is the code.org platform. I've also done here. See, this is the code. Look. Let's have a look at it. Now my age is 12. As you can see, here is the answer. So that means I am 105120 hours old. Wow, that's great. It's interesting. So as you can see here, we need 3 labels, 1 text input and 1 button. Oops. Yeah, text input should be right here. So in this label, we can tell like enter your age in hours. Now in the screen, what happened to the screen? It's lagging. So here, finally it stopped lagging. Yep. Now here in vertical alignment, you need to choose space between. Or, no, not space between. Space around. It will be big, but okay. Easy for beginners also. Now, as we can see, the text input should be in middle, right? In middle. So that means it should be here, above label 2. Yes. Now in this label, first we will make the string empty. Here, as we can see, your age in hours. We have to write your age in hours. Hours. So now, oh yes, and here should be this label string should be empty, as it will show the result. So we can also say it as result label. Yes. So now we also need to add a button. below the result label, this is the button. Now we will name this button as calculate button as it's going to calculate. So calculate. Okay. Yeah. Now, perfect. So guys, if you want to add some color, you can also go in this screen, or you can also tap here. And now here in background color, you can add any color which you like. I will choose gray is good. Gray would be easy. Now, already there is one empty string we can see here. It's literally small. Now, let's go. No, first, this font is looking really small. So, here, if you want the same font size but you want it in bold, here in font weight, select option, you can choose bold, or you can also choose the maximum amount of boldness, which means 900. Yep, like this. So we will do same here. Where is font weight? Yeah, 900. See? Now we will go to the easiest part, coding. Yes. Now in calculate button, when calculate button click, now the action should take place after the calculate button is clicked. So that's why. When calculate button click, we will go in text input 1. From text input, we not want hint, but we want text. Not text input. From text input we will get text. So from result label. So from result label, set text to, we will pick up a maths block. Here you can see into our multiplier operator. Now here, as we all know that in a year there are 365 days and each one day has 24 hours. So we will just multiply it by 364 into 24. 365. Yes. Now we will again add one more math block. As you can see here, we also need to multiply this like this. So that means 365 into, first we need to make this 25 at 0 or else it will count double times. So, and now it will do 365 into, or wait, not 0 also. Let's just keep this blank. Yeah, that will be much better. Okay, the random number is 0. So 365 into 24, 24 into, now text input, get text. From text input, get text. Yes. Now let's preview. Okay. Preview. Now here we have to type our age. So if I'm typing 12, calculate 105120. Yes, so it's correct. So guys, here we have made one app. Now don't forget, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit a like. Thank you.